Hello YouTube. I'm gonna make a video sharpening the Patrik Carlvik EDC knife in 75 CR1. It's basically 1075 with a little bit of chromium. This is the handle, everything perfect. It locks in, is so damn good to hold, to use whittle, do splinter removal. The tip is insane. I'm just sharpening it to make it my own. Entire length of the blade with the handle, not cutting length, is around 14.5, so 145 millimeters. Cutting length is around 55 millimeters. And blade height is around 24-25. I'm just gonna start it on the Nano Professional 400. I'm just gonna do the very edge. So these two, as I just sharpened the Chinese caliber, feels amazing on the stone. I'm just laying it flat to see how it is. This looks more flat ground, yeah. And his stones, no, his stones, sorry. I won't talk about Patrik's stones. His knives, his custom knives are a work of art. I mean, they are so damn good. I've tested many other custom makers, but this blows them all away. He's a Swedish man and he knows his stuff, so yeah. Yeah, maybe I need to take it just a smidgen on the 200. Just. As I said, the whole purpose was to send them back, but I don't got the heart. These knives are too good, they're staying with me. I'm sorry. They're just so good and so nicely done, so I'm gonna keep them. Now I'm just removing any shoulders that's on the knife. Yeah, I must. Go like this. Just to make there. Little more. Just watching, did I hit? Yeah, I hit play, so it's recording. There, moving to the back side, but flipping the stone, so I do even there. Lovely knife, it feels so good on the stones. This would be the perfect EDC. Or a neck knife, pocket knife, whatever. It's so damnly nice made. There, just change my pressure more to the heel. There, it's starting to come along good. Also got a gift from him, a kiridashi, which I'm gonna show. Just doing the test knives first. I'm sorry, Patrik, I can't give these back. If you must, I must. I'm not stealing them, but I want to keep them, and I hope we can come to an arrangement. Maybe trade some stones or other knives, or I can pay you something each month. But I love these knives. They're just smoothing it out. There. That looks good. I've taken the original polish off. If you see, now moving from the 220 to the professional 400. First gonna start by cleaning up the sides, then I'm gonna start making an edge. The point on this, the spiss, as we call this in Norway, what do you call this in English? The point? It's sharp as hell. It's like a damn needle. It's the sharpest point I've ever had on a knife. It's even sharper than some needles when they arrive new. That's, yeah. This is an outer knife, so I'm not entirely worried here about the finish. Just taking off the worst. The edge here is all that matters. Just flipping to ensure even wear of the stone. That's all about what I'm gonna do there. Removing the edge before I start. Yeah, crap, I forgot to show you the factory edge, but it's shaved and it cut magazine paper easily, so 3 times for luck, 1 more just to be safe. I'm gonna make the edge a little lower and then put on a micro bevel. I'm just pushing the steel. 75 CR1 is basically 1075 with chrome. This is at 60, I'm pushing it just to see how far I can take the steel. I haven't got a burr, but I'm just gonna switch sides so I'm not bending the edge. This is a tin knife, so I'm doing this very low, just to knock off any shoulders and make it more gradient, making it better at feather sticking and pushing through wood. The original edge was very good, but could be refined a bit more, but it was great for anything with cardboard and that such. It looks good, the shoulders are gone. Starting on the very edge and using just 3, 4, 500 grams now. Sure, the edge uniform. And Jeff Jewell taught me this on his YouTube videos, making it more uniform on smaller knives. Got a burr on the midpoint, not tip area. There I got the burr. At the very heel it sort of curves inwards. There. And we're at 13 minutes. And this got a great spine for yeah, a ferro rod if you need that. Great 90-degree spine. There. 2000, and this I'm gonna leave at 3000. It's the outer knife, so. Oh. This Tojiro zinc bridge can't accept very low stones because this, so when just using nano professional, you just nearly hit the corners. Getting some purple. There. Tightening it up again. Tightening wheels could be bigger. Other than that, it's very good. Going to the 1000. I know this is already flat. I flattened it and I sharpened the cleaver. starting polishing just a little. And yes, as I said, I'm stopping on the 3000. No need going to the 5000 on outdoor knife. 3000 is plenty good. I can leave it at 1000, but I want a little more refined edge for wood and stuff. It will still do cardboard, zip ties, rope and such. Very nice. Now moving to the edge. Just the weight of the knife. Putting a few edge into just to remove any burr. There. And rätt. Ja. Säljen, ja. There. That's flat. I'm not polishing now, I'm just doing an edge. It feels so crisp, so good. Can feel the hair what the knife is doing. This knife is gonna be scary sharp when I'm done with it. And sorry for the noise, I got some people working on my porch veranda. They're building new in the blocks we're living in here, the apartments. I hope that's enough. Just gonna... There. Wiping. Wiping my hands just to make sure. Stopping just a little on the pants leg. Feeling it on my nail. It feels plenty sharp. Feels plenty sharp. This is a view. the tip area. Either a little burr or something just there. And that's why I'm cutting a little thicker paper, just to make me feel it. Trying again. That's much better. As you see, the very tip and this tip is scary. That's the thicker stuff. This the thinner stuff. As you see, all these knives are gonna be stropped after when I'm done here. I'm just gonna see, is this in view? Yeah. Just gonna see how it does. That's pretty impressive. And how did the edge head up to? Mind you, now I was doing this, I was actually prying with the edge. And I did that just for fun, just to see if it held up. Yeah. So, it's a sharp little scary knife. Thanks for watching. If you got a comment or wonder about anything, please ask. The Patrik carlvik knives is superb. Thank you. Bye.